power supply.
Yeah, so they was talking about that. What thing that guy over there, man? He murdered that power supply yet. But I was telling him, by that power supply, the one that kind of Puribo was selling, something like the one I did, sells 60 amps, as the kind 20 grand special, as the one, the power supply I use in Oya, so I was telling him, buy that one, because the one that is 60 amps, so pretty good. And Puribo was selling them for $100, so I use kind, but make sure the bag of work on that.
Wow, how much is selling it? $100?
$100, a 60 amp power supply, as the kind 20 grand special, as the one I did, as the one I'm using right now, everybody using the kind power supply, you know.
Yeah, that's good, yeah, because he's got the 50 amps. I think the box is too strong for the power supply. He also, I think he got like a bunch of stuff hooked up in there too, you know. And if you got a box, you gotta hook that thing separate, you know.
Yeah, you get 50 amps, you're running one profile, boy, you got tempo run the Yankee, no? You gotta get at least 60 amps, and you run only the 60 amp on that box, the one you get.
Yeah, you gotta run separate, and then plus, if you got a capacitor, yeah, hook it up with the capacitor. I know he's got one, I don't know what happened. Yeah, but that thing is just, cause he changed the pills, on the box, the Texas Star. Oh, the bugger came strong.
Yeah, you always change the damn thing, it comes strong, because sometimes, you know, when you get them long time, the pill get weak, They're like you, I get, you know, my demo, they want power supply, because the one, the driver I didn't say, it's only 80 watt, but I run in one power supply, one pyramid, the pyramid, 30 amps, and I get my 60 amp with with my baby,
Wow, Jake, that's good. Yeah, how much you pick me up on your side? How much you pick me up right now?
Yeah, you hitting me 10 though, 10 to the plus,
Wow, this bug is working then. Alright, let me go see if I put it.